Hi guys, this is Pietro from Trading Kitchen, and today I will speak about NASDAQ, um, which already gave us a very good signal in the past, but we can go short again if some conditions will be satisfied. So let's first take a look to the weekly time frame, in which you can see after a very long impulse, after a very strong movement, okay, strong bullish environment, price gave us 3 weeks ago this signal, which is an outside bar. And this will usually confirm a short signal if price breaks this support. We can go short, but probably you already know that. But I didn't use. I usually don't use this kind of signal, but I usually wait for the retest and go short. In this case, the retest was not verified, but anyway, doesn't matter. This signal was the same of this one. Okay, so after a long impulse, okay, we have an outside bar here, and here probably most of you, maybe me as well, go short. Okay, but as you can see, this will be probably a stop loss trade. Okay, so we have to wait a lot of confirmations to go short here. And to be honest, if you see a daily time frame, here we have a very quite different situation. Why? Because price gave us this confirmation. So price broke this support, and price broke another support. This is a very strong one. Okay, the price yesterday broke and closed below, okay, this level. So after this signals, I will consider NASDAQ for a possible short. Okay, another confirmation is this one, because this is a channel. Okay, so price broke first the channel, then here retest. Okay, as you can see, if we take a Fibonacci from the high to the low of this impulse, okay, we can see the price first touch the 382 Fibonacci, then the 0.5 on this previous impulse, and then started this long way to the down. Okay, so we have to look for a structure now. Okay, the first one could be let me draw maybe this one. Okay, so now the price will probably go here, and then we have to wait. Could do this, could could carry on his movement to the down. But anyway, let's first see what we can do now to go short. And to look for our confirmation, we have to move on the 4-hour time frame and do the same thing. So take Fibonacci from the high to the low of the last impulse, and as you can see, the 382 of Fibonacci, which is one of the most important, together with 61.8, one of the most important level that I consider for my personal trades. For it is a very good trigger to consider for me. So what we can do, we can wait. So the price for the retest, the 380 of Fibonacci, and then go short. But it isn't enough. There are another rules, another triggers that must be confirmed before going short. And if you follow my strategy, you will be able to identify this right filters and triggers, and you could enter correctly the market and avoid fake signals. For example, the first one could be the structure. Okay, what does it mean? It means that, remove this one, as price do this kind of movement, and then here confirm that this structure is powerful. Okay, so it's strong, so we can go short. Okay, how I recognize that this is a structure? Because we have this big bearish candle that contains 1, 2, 3, 4 previous candles. Okay, or price could do this thing. Okay, then go down, break this other support, okay, and wait for the price to retest the same structure, the same support that becomes resistance, and then we can go short. Or another option, price could do this thing, okay, and here probably we have another structure. So same thing, okay. Obviously, if price will move strongly to the up and break this resistance, the possibility to go short, there is no possibility to go short anymore, okay, because this will be a very good a very bad signal for the sellers. Okay, I really hope you like this video, and I would like to know what do you think about this analysis. So please use the comment section below this video to give me your point of view. Okay, see you in the next free analysis. Thank you.